Hi buyers, this video for you. We are in it for the long haul if you are a home buyer thinking about buying a home soon. Higher mortgage rates, rising prices and affordability may be your main concern. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker from the SF Bay Area. As a real estate professional, we understand those market factors are very important. However, there is more to consider. As a buyer, you should think about the long-term benefits of homeownership too. Let us dive in. Financial security. One of the primary financial benefits of long-term ownership is the potential for your property's value to appreciate over time as per the statistics. Owning a home can significantly increase your net worth as your property gains equity. Stability and control. Owning a home provides stability by allowing you to lock in your housing cost unlike fluctuating rent prices. This stability helps with better financial planning and overall peace of mind because you know what you are getting. Personalization. Owning your home allows you to personalize and modify your space the way you want without seeking any landlord approval. Community. Owning a home can provide a sense of community and strong ties to your neighborhood. This can lead to long-lasting relationships and friendships. So, if you are thinking if it still makes sense to buy a home today, it is important to consider these benefits when making your decision. Feel free to reach out to my team and me so that we can help to navigate you through this important process. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Let us help you to plan your next move. Thanks for watching and have a great day.